Assalamu alaikum, namaste, my Indian Pakistani friends. I just said Indian and Pakistani friends because that special cooker Prestige is made in India and basically it's an Indian one and it's very good quality. Every Indian and Pakistani house must have one of this pressure cooker for cooking the dals and for cooking the sabzis and all those stuff. So I was thinking of having a small one and put it like a fridge magnet on my fridge. And I did this one from recycle. Some materials I have home, I'm gonna show you now. I used it and I make this nice special cooker and it's practical. So please, if you like it, please share, subscribe to my channel if you like to have more videos and leave a comment for me so we can do something else if you like. And um forgot what to say. And let's start. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Okay, now this is the material. I have a spray bottle here, then empty. I have a perfume and the cover of the perfume. And this is a spray one. I will just have to cut it. And I have those are the buttons, the covering buttons. Sometimes we put material on the buttons. This is for the bathroom shower hand, and this is the piece of metal. Okay, so let's start. Now I'm going to cut this. I remove this thing first. I empty it. Then I'm going to cut it and I'm gonna sand it so it become like silver like that. To cover this area, I'm going to make a round thing with glue gun to close it. Okay, so now I'm going to put this button, one big and one small, and I'm going to glue them with the super glue. I was lucky that it is fitting exactly. Now I'm going to use this Fimo, or this is something polymer clay. I'm going to make the handle. So I'm going to be careful. I want to do it exactly nice portion so it will look like normal. I will do it. Then after that, I will bake it. Now I've take this piece of metal. You can use it as a any can drink. You can use it. You cut it. It's very easy and it's flexible. You can cut it small piece like that. Then I'm going to measure where I'm gonna put the other part of the polymer clay. Okay. Now this polymer clay is not is still soft. I will do it. Then I will bake it according to instruction comes on the packet. Okay. So I'm gonna put it like that. Make it neat and clean. And I'm gonna roll it and I will try and see how it look like. Removing all the excess and look at it like that. Perfect. Now it's a little bit big, so I have to trim it. I have to cut it. I make a hole here with the pin because here where I'm gonna put the handle. Now the other cooker, I was lucky to find this cover. It's for perfume perfectly, and that's the button again, big one and small one. I was lucky to make it to find it like this. It's fitting. I would glue it, and I'm use this piece of material to make the lock from the both sides. I'm gonna use this tool to just twist it, and I can use super glue or I use resin because it should be hard like that. Okay, so I'm gonna use this. I prefer to use this one. I'll put it and I push. I was really lucky. See, the cover really looked like the pot. Now put more glue and wait with little bit pressure on the cooking pressure cooking because I want it to be like a normal one. Start being hard. Little bit more. I leave it for some time. Okay, good. Now it is exactly the same size. I'm gonna make a hole here. If you don't have this tool, you can do it with a screw and a hammer and put the pin This is the pin for the green board. It's plastic pin for the green board. I'll put it this side and I will glue it. Now, again, I'm going to cut this metal. Be careful when you're using it because it's sharp on the sides. Remove the excess. And I will just bend it like that using this piece of wood so it will take the shape. Okay, now I have to make a hole again. I will just use the glue gun so it will fit in this. It won't move when I make a hole. Then I will remove it. It's only to help me. Now I will use this. Remove the glue gun. I use it. And I will leave it a little bit moving because I want it to lock. A little bit of the glue. Then I put this part. Now I'm going to cut the excess. Here I'm doing the, this is for the cooker. I don't know what's the name of it. The vessel. Yeah, on the side. Now make the, see it's moving. Cut the excess and twist it a little bit up. And I will lock it. Have to cut some more. Perfect for dal, mash dal. Now I take the polymer clay and I want to do the handles. I will just cut it like that and use the wood. I will put it on the pressure cooker only to see the shape. Then I will put it in the oven, but I have to remove it because I cannot put it because the cover on top, the white one is plastic, then it will melt, so I have to be careful. Just I'm putting it here to see how it look like and the size exactly, then I remove them and put them in the oven. Now I have to follow the instruction, how many degree, and I will trim, remove the excess. After come out of the oven, I glue it and I'm coloring now the top like that. Okay, I'll get some wire, craft wire, and I'm gonna put it here because I want to make the handle. This kind of prestige cooker, it has this handle in the end so you can lock it with. Okay, be careful. I put pressure, slowly, slowly, and it's moving. Perfect. Now it's the time to glue this on top. Super glue, put it. And I see the other part should be equal. Now, these are some beads. I always collect some beads, some funny shapes and all those things, but it's really useful. See, I'm going to make the vessel on top. So one square and on top of it, one round. Now, I put this rubber thing in here so it look like realistic. It's a pressure cooker, yeah. Okay, so I have this. This is the some the one they put on dupattas designs, silver small things which you press it with the iron. I don't know what is the name of it, but it's like some small beads. Here we go. Now it's time to put this hand because it came out of the oven. It's hard now. And I see how it's working. Perfect. Now the second kind, I'm using this hose for the toilet. You see that? The part on top. And these are two buttons. The kind of buttons which you cover it with materials. It came perfect, same size. One up and one down. Like that. And I will do the same things I did before. One small button and one big. You know, sometimes you just put a buttons and you want to cover it from the same material of your dress. You can find it in the shops who sell those beads and all those stuff. Now again, this part of the this metal part, I'll do the same like I did before. Okay, and I put some pressure. When the metal is soft, it's easy to move with me. Bend it and cut the excess. Make a hole and glue the top, making the handles. Cut them equal size. Put them on the body of the cooker to have the shape, round shape. Then I'll put them in the oven so they will dry. Then I will glue them after that, like this. Perfect. Say mashallah. Okay, now this is the whistle. Again, a square one. You can put a red bead on top of it as you like. It's like some accessories in the end to make it more like realistic. Now, this is a small size. I use this for the perfume, you see, on top. And again, the bottom. And this is a screw. We use it in collecting paper together. I just find it perfectly fitting. I was so lucky. Then I cut the excess. Here. Then I use the super glue. Yeah, I like super glue. Okay, now it's time coming for the handles. They are small size. Shape them. Now there is a whole little bit in the on the side. You see it. This is for the perfume. What I do, I just cover it with the PV with the glue gun. Then after that, I just with a little bit brush with silver, I cover it so you cannot see it anymore. Okay, perfect size. Now I take these ones and put it like this in the oven because it plastic thing on top it will melt the white one. Okay, now perfect. Now again, this is the hose for the toilet and this is the button on top. Perfect size. I'm gonna cover it like this and make another kind of pressure cooker. That's the Indian one, Prestige. I like it. So what I'm gonna do, this size is perfect. I'm gonna glue it. I have to trim this. Super glue. No worry about these two holes because it's gonna be covered like that. Yeah. So then I put here those Tarkashi, Tarkashi dupatta they put on top. It's like those white, those silver small things. I don't know exactly what's the name. It's very famous in India and Pakistan. Then I will glue it. Some excess, I will cut it. Yep. And I will hold it like this. The whole thing you can be used for a fridge magnet. You can put a magnet on the side, and it can be as a fridge magnet. Now I'll take one bead to make the whistle for the pressure cooker. I know in India and Pakistan they know if the food is cooked or no from how many times the whistle will whistle. Like I put it for 4 time, I put it for 6 time, and it's perfect. It's done. Genius. Okay, so keep it for some time. Come okay. Now here we go. Let's take the hand down, shape it nicely. Now on in the end I have to make it a little bit bending down because that's the place where the hook is going to, yeah, this part you see. And this is on top. But of course I have to put it in the oven first. For me, I just put it for a couple of minutes. Yeah, it's lucky because the silver of it looks like normal. Here we go. Then I will color the one on top with white, with the black, and it's done. If you like my idea and you like the video, keep your thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you need more videos. I will do it in English. And like and share. Give me some ideas. Tell me what else we can do. I can do it. And I will have a group. I have a group on Facebook. I will leave the name of the group in the comments. You can be part of that group. You can ask any question you want, and inshallah, we will be answering all those questions. So it was nice doing this cooker. I'm happy with it. I hope you will like it also, and you'll be happy with it. And thanks for watching. And I'm gonna leave you with some pictures of the final product now. Oh, it's full down. Yeah, here we go. Bye. Sorry, dal makhani, mash dal, sabzi, paneer karela, paneer palak, all these things. Mutton, chicken karai. Hope you like it. Bye. Thanks for watching. If you really like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and keep the notification bell. Hope to see you next time. Bye.